welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
Today we're lucky enough to be sipping on Four Roses 2014 limited edition.
Small batch. Kentucky straight bourbon.
Good job.
Small batch barrel proof Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey.
Yes.
That's a lot of words to fit on a bottle.
You did it.
That's a big title.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, are you going to say the name again?
Sure, why not? Here's this beautiful Four Roses limited edition small batch 2014 release barrel straight Kentucky straight barrel. Borrowed from our buddy Feroz, who's an amazing guy. He's letting us borrow, like I said, everything from 2013 to 2021. So each month you're going to get a release of this special LEs. And at the end of the year, we're going to do a special episode of all of them combined blind to see which one's the best one. Because we are going to have fun, also have awesome friends. So thank you, Feroz, for letting us borrow this. All right, so like I said, this is the 2014 edition. This is 55.9%, made with 4 of the 10 recipes. This time this is OBSK 9-year, OBSV 13-year, OESV 12-year, and OBSF 11-year. So let's see what we think of this beautiful 2014.
Yeah, and if you want to know more about Four Roses, there's a video out there you can look at.
Yeah, it's really long, and I had fun making it. I spent like 3 hours researching it.
In the description below.
That's right. You should do
Make
that.
sure you put that in there because
I do. I always put a history in there, and I also link them to other fun videos about Four Roses because I'm a great guy like that.
Yeah. Read the stuff.
Exactly.
Learn things.
Oh,
just take our word for it.
Beautiful.
It smells like awesome bourbon.
Smells so good. Four Roses.
Cherry caramel vanilla syrup.
Four Roses is one of my favorites. It's always been one of my favorites.
Yeah.
We always have a single barrel in house. Like, it's not one that we've ever had to have all of the things of.
Yeah, I don't go searching for them all and all of that.
But it's always been a solid representation of bourbon, and it's always something that if it runs out, we always get a new one because
absolutely, always.
It's a great bourbon.
Toffee, butterscotch, orange, maple syrup.
A lot of citrus in it.
A lot of orange.
Black pepper.
Yep.
Got a nice oak on there with the age. So you got oldest is 13 years old. Okay, so nice age up on this.
Yeah.
It's like an orange latte, orange coffee cream.
I was thinking like one of those oranges, chocolate covered oranges you crack.
Yeah, orange chocolate you smash totally. Yeah.
I'm getting some coffee bean on it though.
Yeah, I'm also getting like mandarin oranges too.
Yeah, like those little cuties.
Yeah.
Orange cream.
Even the orange, like the clean juice, you get in the can with it. It's even in there.
It's orange.
Smells damn good.
Leather
dunked in cherry syrup.
Yeah, that's a nice leather.
Saddle.
A little bit of tobacco.
Dusty, yeah.
Absolutely.
Ashy.
Oh, so good.
This is cigar wrapper tobacco, though.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
Burnt cigar wrapper tobacco.
It smells about what the age statements.
Yeah, a little bit of clove. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I like this a lot on the nose already.
All right.
I still feel like it's a little bit lower proof than I want it to be. Well,
the palate delivers the proof.
Yep, there it is. I like it.
That's beautiful.
I like it.
Wow.
111.8. Thank you.
Ooh. That drink's well above its weight class.
Mint. A lot of mint, maple, honey, clove.
So good.
Butterscotch. Let's spearmint, winterfresh.
Even a little bit into the anise.
It has a little bit of a minty to it.
Yeah. Which I was really surprised to get this much mint, but it's very minty.
Yes.
Like almost like mint julep mint. Like the mint julep cocktail that you crush tons of mint into. It makes me want to make one with this, but not this bottle because that would be very rude.
And then it's got that cinnamon. That cinnamon that gets the roof of your mouth.
Yeah. A lot of nice oak, caramel toffee. Yeah, like I said, the cinnamon.
Cherry.
The proof is not nearly as present on the nose as it is on the palate.
No, it's much for the palate. Definitely punches you.
It doesn't sting your nose like a lot of high proofs do.
No.
It's
you really don't get it. It's the cinnamon you'll get a little bit on the nose to get the proof wise, but it's way more on the palate, and I like it.
The palate is that cinnamon black pepper spice and it's got this almost capsaicin feel to it. It's not spiky. It's not disjointed. It's a round, cohesive, lovely
They
thing.
put together a
But
beautiful.
It's almost capsaicin like on your palate.
I would say Brent Elliott might know what he's doing, putting these together. He might.
Possible.
We've been doing it for how long now?
Seems to taste right.
Like 50 years. That's all.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Oh, it's freaking delicious. God bless, that's good.
That's really good.
Wow, that's spectacular. I can't wait to do these blind. It's going to be so much fun. I'm looking forward to the episode so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like every one of these, we already know is going to be a home run out of the park good. And they just get better.
Well, I do remember enjoying the last one, but I think that I enjoyed this one more. This is, I don't know what we've come off of or what, but this to me is just presenting itself as like, what would you pay? This is 140, 150 as far as?
I think 150 is what the retail is on this.
I wouldn't be sad about paying that. And
no, I'd be thrilled. I mean, 200, I'd be thrilled. This is a great bottle.
Honestly, yeah, because yes, I would do that because Joseph Magnus Cigar Blend is one that I'd purchase at 200, 230, 240 maybe.
And I think this is definitely same quality level. Very different whiskey, but an excellent.
Absolutely very different. This is just very classic bourbon, but this is at the same time
good bourbon.
One of the best representations of classic bourbon.
Yeah, if you want to just taste, really good bourbon, this is a good place to go.
Yeah,
yep.
I agree with that statement wholeheartedly.
Most definitely.
Oh.
All right.
Well, thank you, Feroz, once again for awesome barring after whiskey.
Thank you so very much for letting us enjoy this wonderful, wonderful whiskey. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday night and check out our Patreon for more of that behind the scenes fun that you saw at the beginning there. Till next time.
Keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass.
Cheers.
There's about to be outtakes.
Come try it. Watch those. Yeah, it says Four Roses limited edition, small batch, 2014 release, barrel strength Kentucky straight bourbon. If you want the whole fucking long ass name,
say it.
Say it, the whole thing.
Say it, bitch.
5, 4. Hello, and welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. Joining to take a minute more.
Are you good, Matt?
Yeah, so pretty fucking funny. Oh, the outtakes will be hilarious.
Today we're lucky enough to be sipping on the 2014 edition of...
Nope. Deleted. Try again.